Hey you guys, I have a quick-ish video for you. I was creating a project last night and I created my own rust paste or texture paste, more on the lines of the consistency and grittiness of the rust paste. And I was really excited because now I can make them the paste any color that I want. Although Finnabair just released a whole range of colors, which I'm really excited about, but the only issue that I have is that these pastes, they dry up and then they become useless. I've tried to add water to them, and it's just kind of a pain and unfortunate, but so last night I was creating a project and I thought to use some of this texture powder and some gesso, and that didn't work. It didn't bond to the project, so I added a little bit of the 3D matte gel, and then it worked perfectly fine. So I was thinking, and you can use any type of acrylic color that you want, or gesso, it doesn't really matter, and any type of glue. I'm guessing probably Elmer's glue if you want to go super cheap, which I forgot to pick up, but I did pick up some of this sand, and this is the same, almost identical to the texture powder, and this was only $2.99 at Hobby Lobby. So definitely this is gonna go a long way. So like I said, you can use Elmer's glue and any type of acrylic paint that you have. If you want more of a matte finish and like a chalky finish, you could even use chalk paint, depending on what color you want. I'm just going to do white. So I find that I'm thinking it's about a third, so 2/3 gesso and a third glue. I'm just kind of guessing. So that's about what I used last night, and it's still sticking to my project. So I'm going to go in with some of the white gesso. This one's new. Alright, I'm just going to go in and scrape all of this off. And I like the grittiness already of the gesso, because gesso itself has like a grittiness to it almost. Let me add a little bit more here. Alright, and I'm just adding it to like a plastic sheet. Hopefully I've been in frame. Alright, here we go. Alright, now I'm going to add the sand, and I add quite a lot, so if you don't want as much of grittiness, then you add a little bit less. And I'm definitely not taking away from Finnabair's rust paste. It definitely is an amazing product. The only downside is like I said, it just dries out, and it's a pain. And if you're not using it as much, like when I first started using it, when I was on the Prima design team, I used it often, so I didn't notice that it was drying out. So now that I don't use it as often, it dried out on me. So, and this is not completely white, it is a little off-white. So if you want it completely white, I would suggest maybe using some white acrylic paint. So I'm just going to, and I'm sure this is definitely not anything new, but I was just creating my project yesterday and mixed a couple things together and thought I wanted to share it with you guys just in case you guys are looking for a budget-friendly texture paste or rust paste. Sorry for the air conditioning. Alright, I think that's about good for me. So I really like I said, the grittiness of this. So I'm going to hopefully show you guys. Maybe. Come on. There we go. It's hard to tell on camera, but I'm sure you guys can, you know, get the idea. And you can even add a little bit more. You want to make sure that it's kind of spreadable. You, like when I did it at first, when I just used the gesso and the texture powder, I did it to where I was basically like picking it up and kind of pushing it on my project. But this is spreadable, so you can use it with a stencil or just as is, like I did on my project. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys really quickly. Sorry for maybe I didn't cover everything. Hopefully I did, but it is past midnight and I wanted to get this out for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.